Hi guys, if you want to turn on or turn off video stabilization on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then this video is for you. First, you just need to turn on your camera. Now from here you will find 3 dot or 4 dot button. Simply tap on it, and from here you will find a gear icon. If you press on it, you will find the camera settings, and from here you can just simply scroll down until you find a video section where you can find the video stabilization option with a toggle button. That means if you tap on it once, then it will turn off video stabilization if it's turned on your device. Now if you want to turn it on back again, then you can simply tap on it once again. Then when you find this toggle button in blue color, that means you just turn on this video stabilization on your camera. And if you tap on it when it turn into gray color, that means you just turn off it. So that's how you can simply turn on or turn off video stabilization in your Samsung Galaxy S25. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.